Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you are watching this video, chances are you are in the market for a new computer. Maybe your old desktop is slowing down, or maybe your laptop just isn't cutting it anymore for your heavy daily workloads. You might be thinking that to get top-tier desktop-level performance, you need to go out and buy a massive, heavy, loud, and incredibly expensive computer tower that is going to take up half of your desk space. Well, what if I told you that you could get mind-blowing, cutting-edge processing power in a computer that is literally small enough to hold in the palm of your hand? Today, we are going to be taking a deep dive into an absolute game-changer in the tech world. I am talking about the KAMRUI Hyper H2 Mini PC. But listen closely, because this is not just your average everyday mini PC. This tiny, sleek silver box is hiding an absolute monster of a processor inside. We are talking about the 14th generation Intel Core i9-14900HX processor. Yes, you heard that correctly, an Intel Core i9, one of the most powerful processors on the planet, packed into a minimalist mini desktop format. Whether you are looking to build the ultimate home server, a high-end business workstation, a multimedia entertainment center, or a blazing fast personal computer for your home office, this machine is designed to do it all. We are going to go over all the unbelievable specifications, the beautiful design, and the real-world performance to show you exactly why this might be the very last desktop computer you ever need to buy. And really quickly, before we get too deep into the specs, if you want to check out the KAMRUI Hyper H2 for yourself, or if you want to see the current pricing and availability, I have placed a special link right at the very top of the description below. Clicking that link is the best way to support the channel at absolutely no extra cost to you, and it ensures you get the exact model we are talking about today. Alright, let us start by talking about the physical design and the form factor, because this is where the magic truly begins. The KAMRUI Hyper H2 features a stunning minimalist silver finish that looks incredibly premium. It's designed to blend perfectly into absolutely any environment, whether that's a serious corporate office, a sleek, modern gaming setup, or right next to your television in the living room. But the absolute most shocking thing about this computer is its physical footprint. This entire powerhouse measures just 5.04 inches by 5.04 inches, and it is a mere 1.63 inches thick. To put that into perspective, it's roughly the size of a few CD cases. And when it comes to weight, it tips the scales at just 573 grams. That's barely over a pound. Because it is so incredibly lightweight and compact, it offers a level of versatility that a traditional desktop simply cannot match. It even comes with VESA mount support. This means that if you want a completely clean, wire-free desk setup, you can literally mount this mini VC directly onto the back of your computer monitor. You can also mount it behind your living room television to instantly create an incredibly powerful home theater PC, or HTPC, for all your multimedia needs. It's out of sight, out of mind, but it's always ready to deliver massive performance the second you need it. Now, let's move on to the most exciting part of this machine, the performance. How powerful can a computer this small actually be? Prepare to be amazed. Underneath that sleek silver hood, KAMRUI has somehow managed to pack in the 14th gen Intel Core i9-14900HX processor, which utilizes the BGA 1964 socket. Let me break down exactly why this is ridiculous for a mini PC. This specific CPU features a staggering 24 cores and 32 threads. If you are doing heavy workloads, this is an absolute dream come true. Along with a massive 36 megabytes of installed cache memory, this processor boasts a maximum boost clock speed of up to 5.8 gigahertz. It doesn't just handle heavy tasks, it absolutely annihilates them. If you are someone who does serious multitasking, if you're a programmer writing complex code, a professional doing heavy photo editing, or if you run virtual machines or need a dedicated server, those 24 cores are going to chew through absolutely anything you throw at it. It's also an absolute beast for online learning, work-from-home productivity, running huge financial spreadsheets, and basic web browsing, obviously without breaking a single sweat. But a processor that incredibly fast needs the right internal components to back it up, and KAMRUI absolutely did not cut any corners here. Out of the box, the KAMRUI Hyper H2 comes fully loaded with 32 gigabytes of high-speed DDR4 RAM running at 3200 MHz. For 99% of users out there, 32 gigabytes of memory is more than enough to have dozens of heavy Chrome tabs open, stream 4K video, and run background applications without experiencing a single micro-stutter. However, if you're an extreme power user who demands even more memory, this system is fully expandable. You can easily upgrade the RAM in this little machine up to a massive maximum size of 64 gigabytes. When it comes to storage, it features a blazingly fast 1 terabyte M.2 2280 NVMe PCIe 4.0 SSD. Because it uses the PCIe Gen 4 interface, you are getting insane read and write speeds. This means your computer boots up into the operating system in just a matter of seconds. Your heavy applications open instantly, and large file transfers happen in a blink of an eye. Now, you might be asking yourself a very logical question. With all this incredible computing power crammed into a tiny 55-watt package, what about the heat? You can't put a 14th Gen i9 in a tiny box without proper cooling, right? KAMRUI thought of this. They've integrated an active, high-efficiency cooling fan system. This cooling method is specifically engineered to keep that monstrous i9 cool under extreme pressure. It actively pushes hot air out of the chassis, preventing thermal throttling, so you consistently get that 5.8 GHz performance, even when you're pushing the system to its absolute limits for hours on end. Let's shift gears for a moment and talk about the visuals and the display capabilities. While this computer has the processing power to handle some serious gaming, it's important to set the right expectations regarding the graphics. It utilizes integrated Intel UHD graphics, optimized specifically for the 14th Gen Intel processors. So while it doesn't have a massive dedicated graphics card for playing the most demanding AAA games on ultra settings, it's absolutely perfect for casual gaming, retro emulation, esports titles, and of course, any kind of cloud gaming. But where the graphics setup on the Hyper H2 truly shines is in professional productivity and high-end multimedia. This incredible mini PC supports a triple 4K display running at a buttery smooth 60 Hz. Yes, you can hook up 3 completely separate 4K monitors at the exact same time. When you look at the video output interfaces on the device, you get a dedicated HDMI 2.0 port, a DisplayPort 1.4, and a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port that fully supports video output. Whether you're a day trader who needs to watch multiple live stock charts at once, a programmer writing code on a vertical monitor while testing your software on a horizontal one, or a professional managing complex timelines and workflows, this triple monitor support is an absolute game changer for your productivity. Finally, let's talk about the ports in the connectivity, because this machine is built to be future-proof. On the physical side of things, you're getting a total of 6 USB ports. This includes ultra-fast USB 3.1 and Gen 2x2 ports, plus your versatile Type-C connection. You have plenty of room to plug in your standard QWERTY keyboard, your mouse, your printer, external hard drives, and anything else you might need for your workstation. But the wireless connectivity is where it feels truly next generation. The KAMRUI Hyper H2 comes equipped with the latest Wi-Fi 6E technology. This means you are getting access to the newest, fastest, and least congested 2.4, 5, and 6 GHz wireless bands. If you have a gigabit internet connection at your house, Wi-Fi 6E will allow you to actually take full advantage of those speeds without needing to run an Ethernet cable across your room. But if you do prefer a hardwired connection, it does have a dedicated high-speed Ethernet port. It also rocks Bluetooth 5.2, giving you perfect, completely lag-free connections to all of your wireless devices, from headphones and gaming controllers to cellular devices and Bluetooth speakers. So at the end of the day, who is the KAMRUI Hyper H2 mini PC actually built for? Honestly, it's for absolutely everyone. Because it has the auto power on additional feature, it makes for an incredibly reliable, low-maintenance home server or automated business computer. For the work-from-home crowd, it's a dream machine. It takes up zero desk space, runs your operating system perfectly, handles intense video calls and massive files flawlessly, and lets you output to 3 4K monitors. For families and students, it's the perfect educational tool or living room computer for web browsing and online learning. We are living in an era where you no longer need a massive, noisy computer tower to get 24-core processing power, 32 gigabytes of RAM, and triple display support. If you're ready to upgrade your desk setup, clear out the clutter, and step into the future of computing, I highly recommend checking out this mini PC. Don't forget to click the link in the description below to grab the KAMRUI Hyper H2 for yourself and see the current deals on Amazon right now. If you found this video helpful, please smash that like button, and if you want to see more awesome tech reviews, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an upload. Let me know in the comments what you would use this 24-core beast for. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.